Okay, y'all, I made a trip to Walmart and found a few new products, so I was super excited to try these babies out. The one that we are talking about today is the Maybelline Master Chrome Jelly Highlighter, and this is in 30 Metallic Bronze. I've never found a highlighter like this that I have liked, so I kind of went in like, oh, it's another jelly highlight, you know, but we may be surprised in today's video. You guys see that there. So if you guys want to know if I like this, how it works, all that jazz, then subscribe, click that bell, and let's get into it. Alright guys, I have my foundation and concealer on. I'm doing a review of a concealer, and it is this guy right here, the new Maybelline Super Stay. So I did want to set that so we can use this jelly highlighter. I have the shade 30. They only had 20 and 30. 20 was more of like a pinky color, so we got 30, and I cannot get this open, like, and it just broke. So now I have nothing to grab onto. Hold that thought. We're trying here. It's coming out everywhere. Can you guys see that? Like if I push or pull, it's coming out right there. Oh gosh. So it just like, it went everywhere with our little bitty hole. But here's a swatch of it. It looks pretty. It's not near as dark as it looks in here, so that's a good thing. All right, so it's pretty satisfying once you do get it open. Like, it looks very pretty in there. All this jelly stuff is just crazy. Like, you can see where I stuck my finger in there. Okay. The one thing that I don't necessarily like with these jelly type products is they're very, very watery, and once you put them on your cheek, they can kind of break apart your foundation and concealer. So fingers crossed this one's not like that, but it probably is. All right, I'm going to get some on my finger and tap it on my hand first, and now we're gonna put it on our cheeks. So I'm just tapping it in. I tapped it on my hand first, so that way, hopefully it wouldn't break apart the foundation and concealer where it is so watery. Because if you were to just tap that right on, I mean, it kind of feels like water on your hand. So I'm just gently tapping. It's pretty, it's very pretty. Like in person, it's very subtle, and I'm kind of loving that. But let's go ahead and build it up a little bit more. Okay, I think I'm gonna eat my words, you guys. I think I actually really do like this. Like that, it looks so pretty. Yeah, I retract my previous statements. This looks flippin' beautiful. Like, it looks beautiful, you guys. Oh my gosh. I am so shocked. I'm so shocked. Like, look at that. It looks so natural but glowy and beautiful. Oh my word. Okay, so I'm going to do the other cheek, finish up the rest of the face, and then I will come back and rave about this a little bit more. Okay guys, this is our finished look. It's been quite a while actually. And I did finish up the face, and this is what we're looking like. Like I said, I totally ate my words. I love this. I can already tell you guys I love this. There was only 2 shades. I got this at Walmart. There were 4 rows, but it was 020, 020, 030, and 030. So there were only 2 shades. This one was the darker one, the bronze one, and then they had a pinky, maybe rose gold type one. I'm really glad I got this. I think if you have medium skin tone up, it will work for you, because my hair is pissing me off today. Sorry, but it looks really dark. Like, I mean, when you see this in person, you're like, oh, that may not work for me. And I have pretty tan skin. And I'm telling you, this hair, oh my word. Okay, I'm sorry. But I even thought, like, my goodness, that's probably too dark for me. But it's pretty transparent. Like there's a bit of color there, but it's not bronze. Like I was thinking like this may be more bronzery than highlighty, but it's not. Let me scoot in here. Like it's beautiful. Like look at that, you guys. Like what? It looks great. Honestly, it does. So I highly recommend this. It was like $7.50, $8. So if you guys think that this color will work for you, I totally recommend it. I was pretty well blown away by this. You guys seen that, because I was not expecting to like this. I have not found any other jelly highlight that I like, except for this guy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell, and I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.